In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitter to your LinkedIn account. If you want to make it easier for people to find your social profiles and connect with you outside of LinkedIn, adding your Twitter or X profile to your LinkedIn account is a simple and useful update. It only takes a moment, and once it's done, your contact information will look more complete and professional. To get started, open your LinkedIn profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for your introduction card near the top. This is the section that includes your basic profile details. On that card, click the pencil icon to open the edit options. This is where you can update the main information connected to your profile. After the edit window opens, scroll down to the bottom until you see the option labeled Edit Contact Info. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the section where LinkedIn stores things like websites and other ways people can reach or learn more about you. Now find the Websites section. Under that section, click Add Website. This is the option you'll use to connect your Twitter or X profile to LinkedIn. Once the new website field appears, paste in your Twitter or X profile URL. Make sure you use the direct link to your profile so that anyone who clicks it will be taken straight to your account. Next, look for the URL label drop-down. This label helps LinkedIn display the type of website you're adding. From the drop-down menu, choose Other. After selecting that, type in either Twitter or X, depending on how you want it to appear on your profile. Using a clear label is helpful because it tells visitors exactly what kind of link they're clicking. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your Twitter or X profile is now added to your LinkedIn account. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to review your profile and confirm that the link appears the way you want. You may also want to check that your Twitter or X profile is public enough for others to view, especially if your goal is networking or personal branding. This is a small change, but it can make your online presence feel more connected and polished. And since LinkedIn is often one of the first places people check, having your other professional or personal brand links in place can be really helpful. That's all for this video.